Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will explain about how to install Project Lombok on STS and Intellij IDE. So let's get started. Open your favorite browser, type Project Lombok download, Project Lombok download. Yes, this is the Project Lombok website. Click here, download Project Lombok. So keep, this is the jar file, like this is jar file, so we can say keep here lombok.jar. Yes, it is downloaded. Open the folder. See here, you can also see if you want to learn about what is the Lombok, few annotations, you can explore. These are the options there, right? So here downloads. Here this is Project Lombok, Java download. Go to folder where it is downloaded. It is here, Control X. Every software or every Java files I'm storing in STS software folder. I am also recommended you to create D drive one folder and store. Here I am giving name like project underscore Lombok, no spaces. Between these two words, no spaces. Yeah, Control V. Open the CMD in this location. Here, CMD. You can run Java, jar, tab. Tab in this current location, what are the files are there? It will come by one, like here, just tab lombok.jar. So enter, it will detect the your ID is here. I cannot find any ID on your computer, so it is unable to detect. So I will select STS ID. Here, specify location. This PC. This is process for the STS. For IntelliJ, another process is there. In that IntelliJ, we need to install plugin. I will show later once this is completed. STS. Here, select this one. Select. Here it will detected. So install or update. Installation successful. So close. I will create one project and I will show it will recognizing or not. Project Lombok recognizing or not. For that, Spring Initializer. Whenever you are creating project, it is recommended to use Spring Initializer. So Maven Java version 3.2.5 dependency I will add verb and Lombok. We need to configure the Lombok. After that, we need to add the jar files. Here configuration we are done. If you want to work with Lombok annotations, you need to use the Lombok dependency in your form.xml. So I am not changing these details. Like package group name must be same. Application name is a demo. This is the company name. This is the project name. Jar 17 version. Generate. It will download zip file. This is the done. Go to project location. This is zip location. Copy it. Go to D drive. Next STS workspace is there, right? Control V. Right click. Extract. Here show more options. 7 zip. Extract here. It will extract this file. Here extracted. Download. Delete the zip file. Next close. Next open the STS. Whenever you are installing Project Lombok, must STS will be closed. Yes, whenever you are installing Project Lombok, your STS ID is open. STS or IntelliJ, STS or this Eclipse ID is open. Then you will after installation you will need to restart. In this after restart, sometimes will not recognize this annotation. Then you can clear the cache kind of. Yes, it is better to close the post STS ID or Eclipse ID, then install the Project Lombok. Then you can start working on it. Reopen your ID and you can working on it. So Spring Tool Suite, it is the STS version is 4. So I'm closing these. Close all tabs. Importing. Import existing event project. Browse. Here demo. finish. See, we are using 17 version. I will create another package like model, class, student, model. Just I will add adding one field, private integer ID. Here I will apply the project Lombok annotation. See, it will generate the getter status kind of. First I will use the get data annotation. What will happen? Let's verify. Control space here. Metadata, it is there in Lombok annotation. Lombok data, see these many methods are generated, but this annotation is not recommended to use. Instead of this, recommended to use setter. If you want to setters, you can use setter. Here setter is generated. If you want to getter, use the getter annotation. If you want to all are constructor, you can use all are constructor. If you want to zero parameter constructor, no R constructor. If you want to as code here equals and as code. If you want to string, you can use string annotation. Like that, which annotation, which methods you want, you can apply. So we are successfully understand in Eclipse or STS ID, same process, installation of the Lombok. So I will show now what to install. Here I will now show what to install project Lombok on IntelliJ IDE. So this is the IntelliJ IDE community edition. It is free of cost. See, I'm closing existing project. Close. Here, file, settings. After that, plugins. Here, plugins, they write type Lombok. Lombok install. This is the Lombok. Michi number is there, right? Lombok install. Install it, right? Okay. Okay. After that, you can close this IDE, exit, reopen our IntelliJ IDE. So here previously we are downloaded one project, right? Demo in Spring Initializer, copy that one. Go to IntelliJ workspace. Here, this is IntelliJ workspace. Open, Control V, right click, show more, extract here. Extract here. Yes, extraction done. Delete the zip file. So close this project. Here, the dots kind of close project. Open IntelliJ IDE demo project, right? First S. So it is scanning the dependencies and indexing. This is the done. Create new class. Right click, new class. Suppose student. Suppose student model is a class. I am adding the property like ID, private integer ID. So I'm applying the annotation. At the rate of data. This annotation is not recommended to use. If you want to verify it is generated or not, see it is not showing anything. So you can go to demo class, create one object for the model, control student model sm is equal to new student model semicolon sm dot set. See, these many methods are there. Suppose setup, suppose get, right? So project Lombok successfully installed on Eclipse and STS Intellij. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.